So good morning class 12 students. We are doing integration and let's complete indefinite integration, then we can start with definite integration in the next class. So there are some standard question of indefinite integration. There are many questions you will find in books, but some of the standard methods you should learn. For example, now let's do question number 19 of miscellaneous exercise. Integrate sin 2x cos 2x upon root 4 minus sin 4 2x. Now आपको क्या देखना है, ये किसका डेरिवेटिव बन रहा है ये देखना है. तो अगर मैं t लेता हूँ साइन स्क्वायर एक्स 2x, राइट. लेट्स सी क्या व्हाट डू वी गेट dt इज इक्वल टू 2 sin 2x cos 2x एंड ये 2x का एक तो और आ जाएगा, so this will become 4, right, into dx. Now this we have already got sin 2x cos 2x dx. So what we can do is multiply by 4 and divide by 4, right? So that's what we've done. So 1 upon 4 outside. In the numerator we'll get dt upon 4 minus t square. Now this is simple, 2 square minus t square, that is sin inverse t. So 1 upon 4 sin inverse t by 2. So 1 upon 4 sin inverse, what is t? T is sin square 2x upon 2. This is what we are going to get in sin inverse. Sin inverse sin square 2x upon 2, 1 upon 4 outside plus c. So that is the answer to question number 19. Now question number 20 again very important. ध्यान से देखते हैं इसको. These are some very standard questions and you should have tried them by now. If you have not tried to complete the exercise today, and then move on to the next topic. तो अभी आपको ये करना है कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 इंटीग्रेट sin x plus cos x 9 plus 16 sin 2x dx. Okay, again try to convert everything in sin 2x. So what is the derivative of, or what is the term whose derivative is sin x plus cos x? So can we take sin x minus cos x as t? Of course dt is very standard now. Cos x plus sin x dx. Now we got the dt. So dt is here. Now we have to convert sin 2x. Now square this and you get sin 2x. So t square is equal to sin square x plus cos square x. 1 होता है minus 2 sin x cos x sin 2x होता है. तो sin 2x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 1 minus t square. तो 1 minus t square यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं. So we get integrate dt 9 plus 16 25 minus 16 t square. यहाँ से 16 कॉमन ले लीजिए. 1 by 16 इंटीग्रेट dt, इसको लिख सकते हैं 5 by 4 whole square minus t square. Now this is just log 1 upon 16 into 1 upon 2a. 1 upon 2a, a square minus x square, a plus x, a minus x. 1 upon 2a, a is y by 4. So we get this gets cancelled here. So we get 1 upon 40. 1 upon 40 मिल जाएगा. Log a plus x, what is a? 5 by 4 plus t and 5 by 4 minus t. So we can take the LCM. 4t, 4 gets cancelled out. 5 plus 4t, y minus 4t plus t. So the answer is 1 upon 40 log 5 plus 4t 4 into what is t here? Sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x upon 5 minus 4 into sin x minus cos x plus t. Something like this. So you can just, ये क्वेश्चन बेटा डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन में भी आता है 0 से पाई बाय 2 में. That you will see. So when you substitute 0 से pi by 2 here, you will get some answers there. It's a very important. जैसे अगर 0 पुट करेंगे, pi by 2 पुट करेंगे तो ये 1 होता है, ये 0 होता है. तो 5 plus 4 और 5 minus 4. So that will become log 9 minus, और जब 0 पुट करेंगे तो ये 0 हो जाएगा और cos x जो है वो 1 हो जाएगा. तो 5 minus 4 5 plus 4, something like this will get 1 upon 9. So that gets added up and ये question definite integration में भी solve हो जाएगा. So that we'll do later on. But right now move on to the next question. So what is the next question we are having? Question number 21. Now this again you can do that other method, but try to use partial fractions. Partial fractions for this. Okay. Technique of partial fraction very important. So what is that technique? So the question is integrate 3x minus 1 x minus 2 whole square dx. So we can write a upon x minus 2 plus b upon x minus 2 whole square is equal to 3x minus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square. Taking the LCM we get a into x minus 2 plus b is equal to 3x minus 1. एक बार प्लस 2 पुट कर दो ये 0 हो जाएगा, b आ जाएगा 6 माइनस 1 दैट इज 5 एंड एक बार सॉल्व कर लो तो आ जाएगा a इज इक्वल टू 3, राइट. a इज इक्वल टू 3. so the answer is integrate 3 upon x minus 2 plus integrate 5 upon x minus 2 whole square dx. so this is 3 log x minus 2 and this is direct integration minus 5 upon x minus 2 plus c. That's the answer for this question. Moving on to the next question. Now the questions are very easy, but still you should enjoy all the questions. Questions like this: 1 minus cos 2x 1 plus cos 2x. तो ये सीधे हो जाएगा 1 minus cos 2x. This is question number 22. And 1 plus cos 2x dx. So you will get what? Here sin बन जाएगा 2 sin square x, यहाँ बन जाएगा 2 cos square x, ठीक है, dx. So 2 से 2 cancel and we get what? 2 tan square x dx. और tan square x को लिख सकते हैं secant square x minus 1, इसको इंटीग्रेशन करके लिख सकते हैं tan x minus x plus c. That is the answer for the question. So this way try to complete all the questions on miscellaneous and then we can start with the next topic, that is definite integration. So see you in the next class.